Welcome to Kids Express. Today, we're going to learn about different parts of our body. Are you ready? Let's go. This is our hair. We can brush it, style it, and even color it. Hair helps protect our head from the sun. These are our eyebrows. They help keep sweat and dirt out of our eyes. Pretty cool, right? This is our face. It has many parts like our eyes, nose, mouth, and ears. Let's look at each part. These are our ears. We use them to hear sounds. Can you wiggle your ears? This is our forehead. It's right above our eyes and below our hair. These are our eyes. We use them to see. These are our eyes. What color are your eyes? These are our cheeks. You can pinch them gently. They're part of our face too. This is our mouth. We use it to talk, eat, and smile. Show me your big smile. This is our neck. It helps us move our head up and down and side to side. These are our shoulders. They help us lift our arms. This is our chest. It's where our heart is. Take a deep breath in and out. Take a deep breath in and out. This is our stomach. It helps us digest food. Rub your tummy if you're hungry. This is our waist. It's the part of our body between our chest and hips. These are our fingers. We use them to touch, hold, and feel things. How many fingers do you have? This is our hand. We use it to wave, write, and do many other things. Wave your hand at me. This is our elbow. It helps us bend our arm. This is our knee. It helps us bend our leg. Can you touch your knee? This is our foot. We use it to walk, run, and jump. How many toes do you have? This is our heel. It's the back part of our foot. These are our toes. We have 5 toes on each foot. Can you wiggle your toes? This is our ankle. It connects our foot to our leg. This is our thigh. It's the top part of our leg. Great job, kids! It's the top part of our leg. Great job! Kids, now you know all about the different parts of your body. Keep exploring and learning with Kids Express. Bye for now. Subscribe to Kids Express for more fun and learning.